Oh, look at you crawling around. Oh, don't butt up. There we go. All right, let's see. Clean up that hip a little bit there. Yeah. Good right there. Oh yeah, you a scooter. Good. Oh, we got a little tough spot right behind that shoulder here. Yeah, you feel that one, don't you? You got, sure. There you go. Yeah, very good.
Bella.
It's okay.
Good. We're gonna bring up and flip you around.
It's fine. We can edit the.
Good.
The sound.
Mhm.
Yeah. Whoop. Hey, is that your mama? You're all done. You're doing very good.
Yeah.